On September 12th, that is less than 2 weeks away, the iPhone 15 series will be officially unveiled. As is customary, a new Apple logo has been produced specifically for this event and for the iPhone 15 series, hinting at some of the new features. First off, if you pay attention to the hues in the Apple logo, they closely resemble those of the iPhone 15 Pro. We'll see models in space black, Titan gray, dark blue, and silver. The Apple logo has a fading brush appearance as the other Easter egg, which is perhaps a hint at the titanium construction of the new iPhone 15 Pro model. The major upgrade to the iPhone 15 series, the USB-C connector, is not depicted in this teaser logo. However, Apple is absolutely going all out with what may be the quickest USB-C port on any mobile device currently available. Yes, the iPhone 15 Pro models will only use the USB 4 Gen 2 port, making them the fastest Android phones available, including the Galaxy S23 Ultra. In addition, we're rumored to get 35W USB-C fast charging speeds. This is good news because the charging port is not encrypted, which means you might be able to use any USB-C charger to get fast charging speeds. In case you missed it, Apple has decided to completely abandon the notch on all iPhone 15 models. Of course, the Pro and Pro Max will get a new slimmer bezel design. Here are the expected costs for the iPhone 15 series, so compared to last decade there is possibly going to be a $100 increase in price for the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. Speaking of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, yes, people, it's finally occurring, we're going to see a proper periscope zoom setup on the latest flagship iPhone. This is going to be an extremely high-quality braided USB-C cable that will also be color-coordinated with whatever color you choose for your iPhone, according to recent live photographs of the USB-C cable which we could see in the box of the iPhone 15 series. Just to remind you, the batteries in these iPhones will be the largest we have ever seen in an iPhone release. As a result, expect some wacky battery benchmarks, especially when combined with the new Apple A17 processor, which was constructed using the most effective 3nm DSMC process. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.